Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram product announcements private and hidden from your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the latest step-by-step method to make sure those notifications don't reveal their content when your phone is locked. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all your device preferences and privacy options. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from this list. Once you're in the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section allows you to manage exactly how and when Instagram can alert you. Now, under the Instagram Notifications section, find and tap on the Product Announcements option. This is the specific category that sends you updates about new products, features, or special offers from Instagram. Inside the Product Announcements settings, you'll see several options for how notifications are displayed. Tap on Lock Screen. This will open up a menu where you can decide what shows up when your phone is locked. From here, select Hide Content. By choosing this, you make sure that while you'll still get notified about product announcements, the actual details and content of those notifications will stay hidden until you unlock your phone. That's it. You've successfully hidden Instagram product announcement notification content from your lock screen. Now you can enjoy more privacy and peace of mind, knowing that no one can sneak a peek at your updates without your permission. If you ever want to reverse this setting, just follow these steps again and choose to show content instead. For now, your lock screen will keep your Instagram product announcements private and secure. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who values their privacy. Have a great day.